Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and if you want to keep your wine lasting longer, then you need this wine saver from Vacu Vin.
I am in love with this wine saver set. It comes with these two stoppers and one pump, so you can remove the air from your wine so that it will last up to 10 days longer. I think this is great. Listen to this. That little click means it is done and your wine is ready to sit and wait for you to open it with this beautiful sound. Ah, I love that. Your wine is going to last longer. You're going to be able to enjoy more of your wines because you won't be worried about just having one glass and it going bad. No, you can put these convenient little stoppers in, pull all that air out, and you will have your wine nice and fresh for the next time you're ready for a glass.
As a wine lover, I think this is the best little invention. I think it's so awesome that I can keep my wine fresh longer so I can enjoy it more, and I am a huge fan. I think everyone should get one of these, and that's my point of view.